The box arrives. It's sleek, it's minimalist, it's quintessentially Apple. The packaging itself is a testament to Apple's design philosophy: clean lines, understated elegance, and a focus on the essentials. You can almost feel the anticipation building as you hold the box in your hands, knowing that something extraordinary lies within. Today we're unboxing the new MacBook Air M2, and let me tell you, excitement is in the air. The moment you start peeling off the plastic wrap, you can sense that this is not just another gadget. It's a piece of technology that promises to redefine your expectations. This isn't just another laptop, it's a statement. A statement that combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled design. As you lift the lid, the first thing that strikes you is the sheer elegance of the device. The smooth, seamless finish, the precision of the hinges. Every detail has been meticulously crafted. A statement of power, portability, and let's face it, a touch of elegance. Whether you're working in a bustling cafe or presenting in a high-stakes meeting, the MacBook Air M2 is designed to make an impression. Its lightweight build means you can carry it effortlessly, while its robust performance ensures you can tackle any task with ease. From the moment you glimpse the redesigned chassis to the instant the vibrant display flickers to life, the MacBook Air M2 promises a seamless blend of design and performance. The new chassis is not just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing the user experience. The vibrant display with its rich colors and sharp resolution brings your content to life in ways you never imagined. The big question is, does it deliver? Can it live up to the hype? With its advanced M2 chip, the MacBook Air promises faster performance, better graphics, and longer battery life. But how does it fare in real-world usage? That's what we're here to find out. Join me as we delve into the world of Apple's latest marvel, exploring its design, dissecting its performance, and scrutinizing its battery life. We'll take a closer look at the new features, the improved keyboard, the enhanced audio, and the array of ports that make connectivity a breeze. We'll also test its capabilities in various scenarios, from everyday tasks to more demanding applications. Get ready for a first look at the MacBook Air M2. Your next favorite travel companion, workhorse, or creative powerhouse might just be right here. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, this device is designed to meet your needs. Its versatility and performance make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to stay productive on the go. Let's unbox the future, shall we? Together we'll discover what makes the MacBook Air M2 a standout in the world of laptops. So sit back, relax, and join me on this exciting journey as we explore every facet of this remarkable device. There's something almost ceremonial about unboxing a new Apple product. It's a moment filled with excitement and anticipation, a ritual that many tech enthusiasts look forward to. The sleek, minimalist packaging is the first hint of the premium experience that lies within. As you carefully remove the outer plastic wrap, you can almost feel the quality and attention to detail that Apple is known for. The satisfying peel of the plastic film is more than just a step in the unboxing process. It's a sensory delight. The sound, the feel, and the visual of the film coming off in one smooth motion all contribute to the experience. The gentle lift of the lid reveals the treasure inside. It's a moment of revelation, where the product you've been eagerly waiting for finally makes its appearance. It's a sensory experience designed to build anticipation. Every element, from the weight of the box to the texture of the materials, is meticulously crafted to heighten your excitement. And the MacBook Air M2 doesn't disappoint. As you lay eyes on it for the first time, you can't help but admire its sleek design and elegant form factor. Nestled inside the pristine packaging, you'll find the Air itself looking impossibly thin and light. It's almost as if it's defying the laws of physics with its slim profile. Beneath it lies the compact power adapter, a USB-C to MagSafe cable. Yes, MagSafe is back. And the usual assortment of stickers and documentation. These accessories are neatly arranged, adding to the overall sense of order and precision. But it's the laptop that steals the show. Its sleek lines and minimalist design are a testament to Apple's commitment to aesthetics and functionality. The build quality is exceptional, as expected from Apple. Every edge, every curve, and every surface feels meticulously crafted. The aluminum unibody feels incredibly sturdy yet shockingly lightweight. It's a perfect blend of durability and portability. You could practically forget it's in your bag. Its lightweight design makes it an ideal companion for those always on the move. This is a device designed for life on the go. Whether you're working from a cafe, traveling for business, or simply moving from room to room at home, the MacBook Air M2 adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. The MacBook Air has always been synonymous with sleekness, but the M2 iteration takes it to a whole new level. Apple has meticulously refined every aspect of its design, ensuring that it not only looks stunning, but also feels incredibly premium in your hands. The attention to detail is evident from the moment you lay eyes on it. The redesigned chassis is thinner and lighter than ever, with a more squared-off design language reminiscent of the MacBook Pro. This new design not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also improves its portability, making it the perfect companion for those always on the go. Whether you're slipping it into a backpack or carrying it under your arm, the MacBook Air M2 is designed to be effortlessly portable. Dominating the front is the gorgeous 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display. This display is not just larger but also more advanced, offering a higher resolution and better color accuracy. It's perfect for everything from professional photo editing to binge-watching your favorite shows. The colors are so vibrant and the details so sharp that you'll feel like you're looking at a real-life scene. The bezels have shrunk considerably, giving you even more screen real estate to work with. This means you get a more immersive viewing experience whether you're working on a complex spreadsheet or enjoying a high-definition movie. The minimized bezels also contribute to the sleek and modern look of the laptop, making it a true head-turner. And with a peak brightness of 500 nits, everything looks vibrant and sharp, whether you're editing photos, watching films, or just browsing the web. This level of brightness ensures that you can use the MacBook Air M2 comfortably even in well-lit environments like a sunny cafe or a brightly lit office. The display adapts to your surroundings, providing a consistently excellent viewing experience. Apple has also brought back the beloved MagSafe charging port, much to the relief of clumsy users everywhere. This magnetic connector ensures that your laptop stays safe even if someone trips over the charging cable. It's a small but significant feature that adds to the overall user experience, making charging your device both convenient and secure. You'll also find two USB-C Thunderbolt ports for connecting peripherals and a headphone jack for those who prefer wired audio. These ports offer high-speed data transfer and versatile connectivity options, allowing you to connect everything from external displays to high-speed storage devices. The inclusion of a headphone jack is a nod to traditional users who still value high-quality wired audio. This is a laptop designed for both form and function. It seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with a design that is both elegant and practical. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, the MacBook Air M2 offers a perfect balance of performance and style, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their computing experience. Under the hood, the MacBook Air M2 is powered by Apple's impressive M2 chip. This 8-core CPU with options for up to a 10-core GPU delivers a significant performance boost over its predecessor, making everyday tasks feel incredibly snappy. Apps launch in a flash. Multitasking is a breeze. Even light gaming is surprisingly smooth. Whether you're editing documents, browsing the web with countless tabs open, or touching up photos, the M2 chip handles it all with remarkable efficiency. This isn't a laptop designed for heavy video editing or 3D rendering, but for everyday tasks and even some creative work, the M2 chip is more than capable. One of the most impressive aspects of the MacBook Air M2 is its battery life. Apple claims up to 18 hours of video playback, and while real-world usage will vary, you can easily expect 10 to 12 hours of mixed use on a single charge. This is a laptop that can last through a full day of work or lectures without needing to be tethered to an outlet. And when you do need to refuel, the included fast charger can juice up the battery quickly and efficiently. The return of MagSafe is also a welcome addition, providing a secure and convenient way to charge your laptop without the risk of accidentally yanking it off your desk. The beauty of the MacBook Air M2 lies in its versatility. It's a laptop that can cater to a wide range of users, from students and office workers to content creators and casual users. Students will appreciate its portability, long battery life, and capable performance for note-taking, research, and light entertainment. Office workers will love its sleek design, comfortable keyboard, and all-day battery life for tackling emails, spreadsheets, and presentations. Content creators can leverage its powerful M2 chip for photo editing, graphic design, and even some light video editing. And for casual users, the MacBook Air M2 offers a premium and enjoyable experience for browsing the web, streaming content, and staying connected. Like any device, the MacBook Air M2 has its strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, its sleek design, stunning display, powerful performance, and exceptional battery life make it a truly compelling package. The return of MagSafe is a welcome addition, and the improved webcam is a noticeable upgrade. However, the limited port selection might be a drawback for some users, and the starting price, while competitive, is still a significant investment. Ultimately, the best laptop for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. So, is the MacBook Air M2 the right laptop for you? If you're looking for a portable, powerful, and stylish machine with exceptional battery life, then the answer is a resounding yes. It's a laptop that excels in everyday tasks, handles creative workloads with ease, and looks good doing it. However, if you require a more powerful machine for demanding tasks like video editing or gaming, or if you're on a tight budget, there might be more suitable options available. Consider your needs, weigh the pros and cons, and decide if the MacBook Air M2 aligns with your computing style and budget. The MacBook Air M2 is a triumph of engineering and design. It's a laptop that seamlessly blends power, portability, and style, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of users. While it's not without its minor drawbacks, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses, making it a worthy upgrade for anyone looking for a premium and capable, ultra-portable laptop. What do you think of the new MacBook Air M2? Share your thoughts and first impressions in the comments below.